We're getting a lot of people that are coming to the sanctuary with PTSD and their post-traumatic stress disorder symptoms that they're coming with. It often looks like interrupted sleep, a startle response, kind of being stuck in a high, hypervigilant fight or flight. It's very real. It's a very real experience for people, a lot of suffering. However, there's really good news in the sense that PTSD, or the symptoms of PTSD, are fairly easy to remedy. There's enough peer-reviewed literature out there and enough modalities that we've incorporated into the sanctuary to really somatically help release the PTSD symptoms so people are not stalked and plagued by these. However, without doing the deeper work, it doesn't really matter in the sense that the PTSD symptoms can always come back. It's so important that people understand when they're talking about the symptoms that we need to get back to the core. We need to get back to the trauma. We need to get back to the beliefs that have been created around the trauma. That there's so much more to this work in resolving and healing and transforming our trauma than just staying focused on the symptoms. That's why we're far more than just an old paradigm addiction treatment center. We're not looking at symptom management. It's not just looking at the addiction or stopping the behavior or mitigating those behaviors that are keeping us stuck. It's getting underneath it. The same thing with PTSD. Yes, let's mitigate the symptoms. Let's alleviate the suffering. Let's get people to a state of equilibrium and then go deep so that people can have sustainable change and be free from these experiences that have been stalking them for most of their life, many of them.